Hey guys, just a quick little video on how to install a capacitor on an ESC. Got a capacitor, bank, plus and minus wires, red's plus, black's minus. Essentially go on the battery ports of the ESC, the minus here and the plus there, so it'll be the black and the red wire. I'm going to take the shrink tubing off carefully, trying to not cut isolation of the battery cable that's on here already. So I'm trying to peel this back. Sharp knife will help. So just essentially split this. Trying to get it off. Like so. And the same for the plus. I've got my little handy desk vise here that helps holding things around our hands. Be careful not to cut the insulation of the cable. Yeah. It's on there. Right, so it wouldn't hurt it too much. Right, now got a soldering iron. Essentially what we want to do is put the leads onto the battery terminals. Black one somewhere here and the red one somewhere here. These look kind of nasty, so we're going to make those new. So for that, we'll just clip a piece of it off. It's already, somebody had soldered already. Silicone wiring, you can just essentially take your fingernail and get the insulation off. The silicone insulation. So what I always do, I'm trying to make so you guys can see it. Put it like this and move this around. So I always do it, always tinning the ends before I solder them onto the main ports. Can zoom in if it's too close. So essentially just take a little bit of solder, just touch the tips of those so that they're tinned. I'll show you in a second what it looks like before I start putting them on the ports and terminals. So essentially you just tin them a little bit and then connect them to here. Trying to not desolder the main battery, but also bring enough heat in to make a good connection. I'm going to crank that soldering iron up. I have it at 750 now. I'm going to go to 850 on the soldering iron. My tinning didn't work very well. So let's try the other side. Get some heat in there. Just like that. Some people connect them to the actual cable before they solder the cables, the main battery wires onto the terminals. Either way is fine. As long as they're connected and don't fall off, there's not a lot of power going through these tiny little ones, so either way is fine. Just make sure you get enough heat in there to have them positively connected. Right. So now, this is what it's supposed to look like. You get them. I always do a little tug test, and that's it. Hopefully that helped you guys. Tune in again. See you next time. Bye.